Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and I'm going to be going over number 65 from the homework. So we've got a skateboard shop sells about 50 skateboards per week when the advertised price is charged. So the advertised price I can see is $70 because they gave me the ad. For each decrease in price, one additional skateboard per week is sold. The shop's revenue can be modeled by y equals 70 minus x, 50 plus x. So first, I normally notice what form of the quadratic equation do we have, and this is intercept form or factored form. That's important. Then it's a word problem, so I kind of want to know what's happening with the graph, and I can kind of picture a little bit here. I know it has a y-intercept of something, and so it's going up and then it's going down because I can tell that my x squared is going to be negative. All right. But the thing about it is I also know that if I sketch the graph, the x-intercepts are negative 50 and 70 because this is intercept form, and that's what it provides me. It provides me with the x-intercepts. So that's actually important for me to know. Additionally, on these types of problems, I like to write a model for the question. So for revenue. So if I want the revenue, I need to remember that that's going to be multiplying the number of boards that I'm selling times the cost of the boards. Okay, it's the cost of the board. So when you're looking at these two things, having that model can really help you. And so thinking about this, the price was going down by $1, and the cost of the boards, and the number of boards was going up by $1. There's that dollar decrease in price. One additional skateboard per adult is sold. So there's the one up and the one down. I like that. I always can see that. All right. So it wants us to use the intercept form to find the maximum revenue. Okay, so we actually need to find x to be able to find the revenue. All right, now how do we find the x coordinate of the vertex if it's in intercept form? Well, remember, we can think of the idea of the axis of symmetry is a line that is equally distant. All the points on the parabola are going to be equally distant from that line. So this point right here is the midpoint on the x-axis. And so if you find the average of the x-intercepts, you'll get the x-coordinate of the vertex. So that would be 20 over 2, which would be 10. All right, so if I want to find the revenue, I would do 70 minus 10, 50 plus 10. So 60 times 60, which is 3,600. So the maximum revenue that the store will make is $3,600. And then it says write the function in vertex form to find the maximum weekly revenue. So if you wanted to write this in vertex form, what would you have to do? You would have to multiply it out and then solve by completing the square. And that would take a ton of work. Or you have the vertex, you could really jump right to vertex form and do x minus 10 squared plus 3,600. All right, that's it. Hopefully that was helpful.